Hey guys, what's going on? It's Matty Collins here, back with another video, and in today's video, I'm really excited to share with you guys my hometown in China. We're going to be checking out the photo capabilities of the Sony ZV-1. Everyone talks about how amazing of a video camera it is, and it is. It truly is amazing with the picture profiles, the 4K footage, and all that. But in today's video, we're checking out strictly the photo capabilities. I'll take you for a walk around my hometown here in China, and you guys can let me know what you think of the video. So without further ado, roll that intro. One more thing before we get started in today's video, I am including a free preset, which is an orange and teal preset for Lightroom that I created probably 2 years ago. It was probably one of my favorite and first presets created. So if you guys want to download that, install it in your Lightroom, you're going to get pictures that look a lot like the ones you're about to see in the video. So that's it for now. Enjoy the clip. Here we go. Kiss my. Found a puppy. Hi, yeah. They have the strangest chip flavors in China. Like what?
About it right now, everything's okay. No matter where you find yourself, no matter what kind of stuff is going on in your life, underneath it all, everything.
These are the food delivery drivers in China, and they get paid for how quick they deliver food.
You have more power than you like to give yourself credit for. If you have something that's going on in your life right now that's challenging, painful, it's just a reminder to take a little bit better care of yourself. You're worth it.
And this Pac-Man looking thing is my favorite place to get dumplings. Hey look, a kitty. The China squat is real. And this is my favorite Japanese restaurant. And then I think we're done here. All right, guys, so that about wraps up the video for today. My hope is that you enjoyed this new concept or style of video because I've never posted one on my channel before. I want to continue to do this, and I want to continue to, try different lenses and different cameras and go to different cities in China and different neighborhoods and things like this to keep it entertaining for you, but also showcase different cameras and lenses that you guys could pick up. Drop a comment or like below if you did enjoy this video or you found any value, and we'll see you in the next one. Matty out. Peace.